guys, it's Eileen with Loving Plants. I'm here with Dee from LutzBotanicals. She has an amazing greenhouse full of rare and exotic plants. Here in South Jersey, I can't even believe it. So you're gonna see this live as we see this. So we're gonna get the tour, and I will link her Etsy shop, and also she has a website where you guys can get something shipped. Do you ship all over?
Yeah, U.S.
To U.S. only, right? Mm-hmm. All right, so I will link that below. Ooh, let's see it.
Through the fence.
Through the fence we go.
Once my dogs notice, you'll hear them.
We love puppies, and oh, look at it back here. Ooh, look at these vegetable gardens.
Yeah, these are all of our vegetable beds that we made.
Oh my gosh, hello! Oh my gosh, hello, 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 hello. So cute.
That's Newton.
Hi. Hi, sweetheart.
Guard dogs.
Hey, Nicole, say hi to all the Loving Plants people out there.
I'm so excited.
Oh, no, they're just excited.
So these are all our veggies. Got potatoes and carrots. Squash.
So fun. Oop, you almost got me. They always get you at the knees, right?
And then his favorite and our favorite are the sugar snap peas, if you want to try one.
Wow.
If you're into beans. Want a
Look
bean?
at that.
Oh, yes, I just eat them raw.
Thank you.
Does the dog eat them too? Oh, yeah, you can give them to them.
Oh, here. Aww.
He'll eat it. We have more beds over there and a pond.
Oh, there's a pond over there. What an amazing setup you have.
This is our first greenhouse. So now it's become like a bonsai greenhouse.
Ooh. And your husband does bonsai, right?
Yeah.
So cool.
So you have some pedestals for the bonsai. A lot of the stuff got fried recently in that giant like heat wave.
Yes, yes. That is the only unfortunateness about plants.
These are like our pollinator beds for butterflies and bees.
Nice.
Then this is the greenhouse.
Oh boy.
Yeah, we used to have all the fans going because it's like really hot.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Look at that beauty.
Oh my god.
That one's not for sale, I imagine.
No, that's my spirit to say.
I would say, wow.
That's one of the, probably the rarest philodendron you can get.
I have never seen one in person.
There it is. New edition.
Oh my gosh, it's amazing. Oh, look at these guys. Do you want to let us know what everything is in case I say the names wrong?
Yeah, these are newly planted variegated monsteras. And,
Beautiful.
you have, veggies, philodendron tenue, splendid.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at your splendids. They're so big. Mine is so small.
This is a glorious.
Oh, look at that. I have such a love for anything glorious.
Yeah, we have a huge one. I'll show you because I know you're looking at them.
You never see this in South Jersey, so this is exciting.
And then, we gotta normalize, rotting plants.
Yeah, right, right.
You know? This is very real.
Oh, yeah.
Got a Patricia, one of my favorites. He got burnt recently, but,
So beautiful.
Variegated Adansonia that's been chopped to pieces, but he's coming back.
Wow.
Lots more variegated monsteras.
Wow.
And Arraya, which is the yellow variegated monstera.
Wow, look at that.
So this is the large form one. So the Monstera deliciosa version, like the one that actually bears like fruit. And this is the small form one, the Borsigiana.
Wow.
And then this is like my personal albo.
Beautiful.
And then these are a lot more albos. These are all the ones for sale on the website.
Nice. So is it, do you sell mainly through the website, but also Etsy?
Yeah, website, Etsy, some Facebook.
Awesome.
Or if people just reach out.
Yeah. And wow, for all the New Jersey peeps, they can just come and pick up. Yeah. And also to pick up like a rare plant and not, put it through the stress.
Yeah.
Through the mail. Oh my gosh.
Or you can deliver it if it's close.
Oh, awesome. Okay, my husband is not going to be happy because I'll be like, listen, birthday's coming up, Christmas is coming up.
Yeah, let's go take a trip.
That's a Clairnovium?
Yeah, it's a clarinervium back here.
That's
And
beautiful.
it has like 2 inflorescences going on.
Wow, that's
Everything-
a happy baby.
Yeah, everything's been really happy in the greenhouse.
This is beautiful.
This is a huge glorious that I just listed. I don't really know what to do.
Wow.
Look at that.
Wow. Love it.
And like the pest maintenance has been so much easier since I moved everything outside.
Yeah. Mealies. I'm having trouble with mealies right now, but
Oh yeah.
I don't know if this is the season.
And there's my cat back there. He hangs out in here.
Aww.
Varicosum, subestatum.
Is that a gloriosum?
That's just a gloriosum.
I do love them though. Oh my gosh, I love them.
They're great. They're finally like, you just have to neglect them. And we have some bonsais in here that are my husband's.
How beautiful. I think bonsai is so cool. Wow, look at that.
Joe PIs. Yeah, I don't have the patience for bonsai.
Yeah, I don't
like
think
them.
I would either. But they're beautiful.
Yeah, they're great.
It's like almost like a meditation thing too, right?
Supposed to be.
Supposed to be.
I find it frustrating.
Frustrating, right? Or aggravating. Wow, this is amazing. Gosh.
Well, one of everything.
I know. I'm like, I'm trying to like make up excuses. I'm like, what holiday is coming up that I can... Oh, look at that stem. What is that guy there? Like, that has like the little fuzzy...
Oh, what's it called? Oh, actually, there's a tag on it right here. Squamiferum.
That's right. With the little
Squamiferum. Not
crazy
the Cerbers,
petioles.
the like less rare one.
I can't believe the size of these splendids. Especially since I have such a little guy.
Yeah, they grow so well. Like, they're probably the most carefree plant.
Wow.
So I'll probably just cut them if no one wants them, you know. Oh no.
Beautiful. Well, thank you so much for showing us these. This is amazing. Look at this guy.
Gorgeous.
That's the Anthurium
Baroquianum, the queen anthurium.
Queen, right. I know that from Kaylee Ellen's channel.
Oh yeah.
She has a whole bunch of them on that wall, you know.
Yeah.
Is that the Veitchii that
Yeah,
guy?
that's the...
Oh my gosh, I've never seen any of these live. Like, this is so fun.
And then this is the Wendlingerii,
Oh my gosh,
which has an inflorescence
so cool.
that's curly. And a baby Wendlingerii, Forgetii,
Oh, yeah.
dark form, some
You-
burnt Forgetii.
You've got some amazing plants here. Wow. And yeah, what's your Facebook too? I'll link it, but
It's just everything's under LutzBotanicals.
LutzBotanicals. Okay, guys, check the description. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks for coming.
Yeah.